also good news for the students, those who are aspiring to join Indian Air Force. AFCAT 1 2022 रो registration बाहर जाई अछि 1 December 2021 रो 30 December जाए तार registration open अछि आपण माने अप्लाई करि परिबे इंडियन एयर फोर्स ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट जाई कि सेठारे आ जो माने फ्लाइंग ड्यूटी इंटरेस्टेड अछंती किंबा ग्राउंड ड्यूटी इंटरेस्टेड अछंती से माने अप्लाई करि परिबे तार एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरियाज होछ AFCAT अंडर रे तीनटी ब्रांच आसुची फ्लाइंग ग्राउंड ड्यूटी टेक्निकल ग्राउंड ड्यूटी नॉन टेक्निकल एज लिमिट फ्लाइंग ब्रांच पई यू शुड बी born between 2nd January 1999 to 1st January 2003 ground duty technical and ground duty non technical you should be born between 2nd January 1997 to 1st January 2003 educational qualification to join flying branch आपण मानकु 60% मार्क्स ग्रेजुएशन रखिबर अछि and aggregate 60% marks in +2 with minimum 50% marks in physics and maths. Ground duty technical pai hele you should be BTech or you should have done equivalent degree to BTech with minimum 60% marks and at least 50% marks in maths and physics in +2. Ground duty non-technical pai hele administration and logistics pai graduation degree with minimum 60% marks occur. Accounts pai BCom degree kimba any equivalent degree with 60% marks. Education under jiba pai hele you should be postgraduate in any of the subjects with minimum 50% mark and aggregate 60% marks in graduation. Syllabus for English comprehension asibo error detection synonyms antonyms sentence completion and idioms and phrases numerical ability under re decimal fraction asibo time and work average profit and loss percentage ratio simple interest time and distance reasoning and military aptitude under a verbal skills or special ability rohibar achi general knowledge gote paper rohibo jota ki history civics geography politics current affairs sabu cover karibo marking scheme for AFCAT exam 2022 3 marks will be rewarded for every correct answer 1 mark deductible for every incorrect answer and no marks will be given for unattempted questions. Exam selection procedure. Indian Air Force will conduct online exam across the country in different centers. Online exam around February 2022 re hejibo. Then 2022 April re apanko result declare hejibo. Candidates will be able to check their marks and the cut-off marks etc. in the official website of afcat.cdac.in. After selection, the candidates have to choose their AFSB interview venue and date on the same portal. Tapre screening test habo. Screening test of first stage re rohibo interview with verbal, then non-verbal tests and a PPDT test. The last stage will be your personal interview based on psychology and GTO tests. PABT only for flying candidates. Our last date re conference habo, final result announce habo and the selected candidates will be sent for medical examination. AFCAT 2022 re DT type of commission achi permanent commission and short service commission. Permanent commission is only for men candidates joining जो माने PC officer हिसाब रे join करिवे से मान को सर्व करवा छि till the age of superannuation in the respective branches. Short service commission is for both man and women. Flying branch under a man or woman जदि select हेबे they will be selected for 14 years from the date of commissioning and ताहा आपण extend करि परिबे नाही. Ground duty technical or non technical by initial tenure होछि 10 years आपण माने 4 years extend करि परिबे according to the vacancies. Thank you. जो माने डिफेंस रे निजर करियर परस्यू करिया पई चाहउछंती निजको आगको बढ़ेबा पई चाहउछंती डिफेंस पर्पस रे आमे जो नोटिफिकेशन अबे रीड करेरो AFCAT 1 2022 पई निजको प्रिपेयर करबा पई चाहउछंती आपण हमर वॉरियर स्क्रिप्ट डिफेंस करियर एकेडमी आसी के विजिट